What you hear is a printer sound. This sound always makes us crazy, but this is the music of our life. Welcome to the chef world. We work 10 hours a day, 6 days a week, and almost all year to feed the people because of only one thing. It's called passion. All the time I hear that people say, "Hey, I can cook better than you." I don't know why people call you a chef. I cook better food than you. So the answer is very simple. It's not about a recipe. The food is love. As you cook, you must bring your soul into the recipe and just make an experience for the people who they eat. In my opinion, a chef must think like a scientist, organize like an accountant, and play like an artist, and always cook like a grandma. So whenever somebody eat their food and they can remember the childhood memories, then you succeed. You become a great chef. Or if somebody eat your food for hunger and they can't relate into their life and emotion, I'm sorry, you cannot be a chef. Anybody can cook, no doubt, but being a chef is not easy because maybe you are sick, or you are down on your personal life, or your friend is getting married, or you are invited to a party. You can go because you need to work. There is no replacement. It will only work when you have a passion. You're ready to work. It's a sacrifice, no doubt. So not everybody can do that. Only some people with extra bone can do that, no doubt. Thank all chefs, be proud and keep doing the amazing job. During COVID-19 pandemic, thousands of chefs are working all over the globe, 15 to 16 hours a day, to make the people fulfilled from their hunger. Thank you everyone. Happy being a chef.